2011 में यूपीए 2 के दौरान माइनॉरिटी अफेयर्स मिनिस्ट्री ने ओबीसी कोटा के भीतर 8.4 सब कोटा का प्रस्ताव रखा, जिसमें मुसलमानों के लिए 6% रिजर्वेशन शामिल था। 2014 में लोकसभा इलेक्शन मैनिफेस्टो में भी कांग्रेस ने इस तरह की बातें की थी। इस बार भी कांग्रेस अपने मैनिफेस्टो में इसी तरह की बातें कर रही है। कर्नाटक में भाजपा सरकार ने रिलीजन बेस्ड रिजर्वेशन को खत्म कर दिया था, लेकिन कांग्रेस की सरकार आते ही तमाम मुस्लिम को ओबीसी कैटेगरी में डाल दिया। कर्नाटक में भी ओबीसी के अंदर कैटेगरी 2 भी बनाकर मुस्लिम जातियों को आरक्षण दे दिया गया। कांग्रेस ने अपने मैनिफेस्टो में कहा है कि देश के बहुसंख्यकवाद की कोई जगह नहीं है। मतलब उन्होंने एससी, एसटी, ओबीसी से सख्त नफरत है, क्योंकि देश में बहुसंख्यक आबादी इन्हीं गरीब लोगों की है, इन्हीं वर्गों की है। ये कांग्रेस का मैनिफेस्टो है और ये कांग्रेस का इंटेंशन है।
Well, that is the BJP National President JP Nadda there, of course, when the main line that has been this time around. Pranesh is also with us right now. Pranesh, good morning. As far as the focusing on many of those areas, especially what's been there in the Congress Party manifesto, that time and again has been also highlighted by Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Its manifesto clearly coming back to haunt the Congress Party in the middle of the poll season. The BJP underlining the point first raised by Prime Minister Modi in his poll rally, and now the BJP chief only highlighting what the party handle has put out. This is the tweet that has come just 20 minutes ago. It says, April 2009, in the run-up to Lok Sabha election, Dr. Manmohan Singh reiterated his statement that minorities, especially poor Muslims, should get priority. He categorically stated that he stood by his earlier assertion that Muslims should have the first right when it comes to resources. There's also a video attached of what the then Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh had said. Let's quickly play it out. We have it ready.
I did not say the same thing. I said minorities, particularly the Muslim minorities, if they are poor, they have prior claims on the resources of the country. I used the word all for all minorities, and I added for mayor, particularly Muslim minorities, if they are poor, they have a prior right on the resources of the country. I did not say the same thing. I said minorities, particularly the Muslim minorities, if they are poor, they have prior claims on the resources of the country. I used the word all for all minorities, and I added for mayor, particularly Muslim minorities, if they are poor, they have a prior right on the resources of the country. I stand by that. I did not say the same thing. I said minorities, particularly the Muslim minorities, if they are poor, they have prior claims on the resources of the country.
Well, Shehzad Poonawalla of the BJP also with us. Shehzad, this is, as far as the talking point is concerned, BJP National President coming out and saying that the assertion that preferential treatment to a particular community has been given all the while by the Congress Party, and it also states in the party manifesto.
आज कांग्रेस की वोट बैंक की पॉलिटिक्स पर आदरणीय अध्यक्ष जी ने सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक कर दिया है। सबसे पहले अमिता जी, आप बीजेपी का हैंडल चेक कीजिए, जो अभी उल्लेख अध्यक्ष जी ने किया है कि मनमोहन सिंह की जुबान से गलती से माइनॉरिटी मीनिंग मुस्लिम नहीं निकला था। 2009 की प्रेस वार्ता में जब उनसे इसी बयान पे पूछा गया तो उन्होंने कोट अनकोट कहा कि आई कैटेगोरिकली स्टैंड विथ माई असर्शन दैट मुस्लिम शुड हैव फर्स्ट राइट टू द रिसोर्सेज। और दूसरी बात, कर्नाटका में आपने देखा है, एनसीबीसी ने बताया है, पूरा का पूरा मुस्लिम समाज उसको ओबीसी से आरक्षण दे दिया। 2009 के बाद उन्होंने 2012 में अपने मैनिफेस्टो में 27% में से 9% मुस्लिम को देने की बात की। आंध्र प्रदेश में ओबीसी ई कोटा में से, मतलब कि ओबीसी कोटा में से निकालकर मुस्लिमों को देने की बात की। धार्मिक आधार पर आरक्षण देना ये सर्वथा गलत है, असंवैधानिक है। और ओबीसी कोटे से निकाल के देना, एससी कोटे से निकाल के देना, रंगनाथ मिश्रा कमेटी रिपोर्ट जिसको कांग्रेस ने एक्सेप्ट किया, उसमें लिखा था कि एससी लिस्ट में मुस्लिम को डाल दो। आज मैं ठेकेदार जो है ओबीसी पार्टीज जो अपने आप को कहती हैं, इनसे पूछना चाहता हूं, समाजवादी पार्टी आरजेडी से, क्या आप इसके पक्ष में हैं? क्या ये आंबेडकर जी के विचारों के समकक्ष है या ये उसके खिलाफ?
All right, Shahzad, thanks very much for that point of view. What the BJP national president has also been stating in that video that we also will play out, especially when it comes to saying that this is further proof of the Congress mindset to give preference to one particular community over everything, right from reservation to resources. On that particular issue, we also had a word with the Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. Listen in.
By the BJP in the last 1 week, but the opposition has been coming down quite heavily on some of them. The manifesto, some of them say that, you know, the BJP hasn't read it, the Prime Minister hasn't read it, and creating false narratives here. What do you have to say to the Congress?
See, it's all right for them to go on saying, is it in my manifesto? But when their own leader talks about X-raying Hindustan, and when their own leader says, I'll study the various castes and communities through a survey, and after that, I'll also take action after that. And his own mentor from somewhere abroad, who periodically during elections gives the wisdom which his party takes very seriously, he's given a wisdom this time. There will be property tax, inheritance tax is very good, and that is very important, and so on. All of them put together makes complete sense that they are going on the same route of that socialist era when we paid 90% as tax. We even had a compulsory deposit scheme through which people's earnings were taken away. Congress party's history is laden with all this, so there's nothing new in this.
Ma'am, last question. The reservation issue is something that the Prime Minister raked up. Here in Karnataka, of course, the blanket reservation for Muslims at 4% still stands. What is your take on that matter, ma'am?
No, but very clearly there are narratives being set by the Congress party which are more like tempting people to come for benefits, but actually which they are incapable of delivering. If they can't deliver, like for instance the freebies they've given in Karnataka, now they want money from Prime Minister Modi. And if as per their request, if the money doesn't come, they blame him. But the person who gives the promise or the party who gives the promise, whichever be it, whether it is reservation, whether it is freebies, should do their homework before they speak.
Well, the question that today is now being raised by the BJP, does minority only mean religious minority for the Congress and not linguistic minority, as far as the statement that has been made by the former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh that has now been put out by the BJP, by the top BJP leadership as well. Thanking our guests also for joining us here on the broadcast, but we continue to get you the election updates, the second phase of voting that is currently underway.